At least we still have one tire. Oh.
I'll take that. Now, where was I? Dreadful darkness, hear my cry. Bring back one who cannot die. Let the witch who perished here live again and reappear. In my wildest dreams, I could never have imagined such an imposing creature.
Thank thee. Thou canst not know what my bondage hath been like. Who art thou?
Ben Ravencroft, your descendant from the modern world.
Modern? Not much seems to have changed.
Please, don't hurt us.
The same pathetic peasants groveling for their puny lives.
But, Sarah, I want to become more powerful, like you.
Thou jest!
But it was I who released you. You should serve me.
I serve no one, leastwise a worm like thee. Aye. Thou hast freed me, so now I can punish the world for my long imprisonment. I shall create an era of darkness over this land.
Like we're goners, Scoob.
This isn't what I envisioned. We were supposed to rule the world together, not destroy it.
I care not for thy whims. Cross my path, and I shall destroy thee along with thy world.
And I have the book. And I will return you back into the book. Ancient evil, get thee hence. Only good can recompense all that's good.
Thinkest thou art a Wigan? Only a virtuous soul can imprison me.
I've got an idea, guys, but we still need that book.
Like not again.
I'm sorry, guys, but you two are the fastest.
No way.
Don't worry, we'll create a diversion for you.
Ray.
How about for a whole box of Scooby snacks?
A whole box?
Good luck.
Hey, Broom Rider! Over here!
Thou shalt pay for thine impudence!
Well, guess snack time's over.